Assalamualaikum. Hey cookies, welcome to Cooking Tales. Today I'm going to share a Malabarian snack recipe, an egg cake that is commonly known as Muttapola, which is easy to make with simple ingredients and tastes really good. With no any further delay, let's get into the video. Take a bowl and crack open 3 eggs. Here I have used 3 large size egg. If it's small, to add 4. With the help of a hand blender or an electric beater, beat the eggs well until it becomes pale in color and foamy. Don't overbeat the eggs because it turns watery. This is the perfect time to add 3 crushed cardamom pods or cardamom powder can also do well. Then add 1 cup of powdered sugar and beat them well. Then add 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida to it and beat them well again. Once the mixture turns creamy, now add in quarter teaspoon of baking soda, quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. After adding these 3 ingredients, beat the mixture well. After beating, now mix the batter with the help of a spatula or a ladle and fold it well. Now this is the perfect consistency for the batter. Now your batter is ready. Heat a pan. Then add 1 tablespoon of ghee to it. Once the ghee is hot, add in nuts for roasting. Here I am using almonds. You can use any nuts of your choice as these nuts are used for garnishing purposes. I was left over with almonds, so I am using almonds, so you can use any nuts of your choice. Roast the nut until it turns golden in color. Once the nuts turns golden color, remove and keep it aside. In the same pan with the leftover ghee, add in the prepared batter. Spread the batter evenly over the pan. Place the pan over a kneaded tawa and lower the flame to medium and close the lid for cooking. After 10 minutes, if you open the lid, you can see the air bubbles to appear on the top. This is the perfect time to garnish it with the roasted nuts. Garnish it of your choice. Why we are garnishing now is that the nuts doesn't stick to the cake later. So if you're adding it to the batter, it does sticks and doesn't get removed. After garnishing, close the lid and cook for another 10 minutes in medium flame. After 20 minutes, open the lid. Check if your cake is ready or not by inserting a toothpick or a skewer. If a skewer and toothpick comes out clean and neat, then your cake is ready. Transfer it to a serving plate. The bottom has not been burnt. Now your Muttapola or egg cake is ready to munch on. Now your delicious and spongy Muttapola is ready to munch on. Cut and serve hot and enjoy with your loved ones. I hope you all would have enjoyed this video and you got the tip and trick to learn how this is made. So I wish you all like this channel, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for further notification. If you have any suggestion to me, please do comment below. Thank you. Love you all. Stay blessed.